the next poem I've not heard before, and the day I saw the time of it, we'll phone round and say, right, what you got to do when you're in Bathgate, I'll say, I'll do this one. I've never heard of that one. So I think what's coming next. And with this woman, with Anne Clarke, it could be owning. This is the brand new me.
It's not my New Year resolution. This is a poem that was written by John Robertson, and I put it into Scots. Meet the brand new me. This was my brand new me week, and should anybody doot it, spare me just a little while, and I'll tell you all about it. Last Sunday, Mrs. Smith next door informed me with a sigh. Here's that anti-wrinkle ointment he said he'd like to try. On Monday, dental treatment appeared to set the pace, and in a way it helped to put a smile back on my face. On Tuesday morning, manicure, then in the afternoon, the doctor put my name down for a hip replacement soon. On Wednesday, I got new specs with every indication that looking in the mirror could present a transformation. On Thursday, they supplied me with a stronger hearing aid. I really was delighted with the difference that it made. On Friday, it was hairdo time, confirming every story that the salon is a land of hope and crowning glory. Saturday arrived and did its utmost to surprise me. Some neighbours passed me, all because they didn't recognise me. My closing statement, I'll admit, must really be a bold one. I'm hoping that the brand new me is better than the old one.